We've come into Westernland now, which is like Frontierland, I guess. That's what I would call it here, Frontierland. We've got Big Thunder just here. Big Thunder's currently posted at a 70-minute wait, it's really long. We've ordered a mobile order from Camp Woodchuck Kitchen. Special. We're trying like loads of limited snacks. We made a list of ones that we wanted before we came, basically. And we're going to try the onigiri sandwich, onigiri beef sandwich. 710 yen, which works out to be about £3.60, I think, £3.70. Really cheap for what is essentially a burger. I'm going to show you it like this because it looks like it's going to fall apart as soon as I take it out of this paper. But it's basically like rice made into a burger bun with beef in it, and it looks like it's got pak choy as well. Huey, Dewey and Louie on the outside, and Camp Woodchuck Kitchen. I don't know what WJW means.
Woodchuck Kitchen.
Let's go with that, shall we? But this was like $3.50, so cheap. Alright Bex, what did you tell me about that onigiri beef sandwich thing?
It's the best Disney snack. Savoury.
Best savoury Disney snack she's ever had. Guys, this girl has had the cheeseburger spring rolls. She's had the croque monsieur spring rolls. She's had the pizza spring rolls. And she says the onigiri...
Life's not just about spring rolls.
Spring rolls! Spring rolls! This might end in divorce now. We actually had the cheeseburger.
Really nice.
We had the cheeseburger spring rolls for our starter. Disney were really kind to let us have the spring rolls for a starter. I mean, you should be. We paid enough for the wedding, right? Like, mad. But yeah, no, it was a really, really nice snack. Actually, it was the right amount of savoury. But I think it could have done with a bit more of the beef filling, personally. But I did enjoy it. I did really enjoy it. We're just heading back into Fantasyland after getting that onigiri sandwich. And I just wanted to show you this, all of this space. How much there is. Absolutely incredible. The sun goes down really early here, by the way, at least at this time of year. It's 5:15. And the sun is basically set. We've got Haunted Mansion, which is in Fantasyland.
Haunted Mansion's pretty much been at an 80-minute wait all day.
It has, yeah, so we might have to try and buy it or something, or
which is mad, really.
get the standby view.
How,
That's a very high capacity ride.
yeah, exactly. That's what I'm
Very high capacity. It's people eater because of the Omnimover system, the ride system. Peter Pan's flight was posted at a 30-minute wait earlier. Went up to 40, right? So maybe we can do Pinocchio and Snow White, and then we'll see what Peter Pan's like after that. Dumbo. One of the things here actually is like some of the rides, they look really tired and dated. Like Dumbo here looks really tired and muted colours. We've decided on Snow White's Adventures. This is what I mean by the muted colours, by the way, like the pastel blues and greens. The same with Dumbo, it's really like pastel blue, muted yellow, cream colours. The carousel's not too bad, but it's an interesting Fantasyland. Yes. That's a good guess. Snow White's Adventure was about 2.5 minutes, but I do miss those little dark rides in Fantasyland, in Magic Kingdom. because between Fiddler Magic and the Princess Meet and Greet, you know, you've not got a mass amount going on in Fantasyland behind the castle. So it's really good that they've got all of this here still. Next up, we're going to ride Peter Pan's Flight. It's posted at a 30 minutes wait at the moment. It's pretty incredible considering this gets like 90 minutes in Magic Kingdom quite often. Pretty much every day.
あれだよ、ウェンディ。右に光ってる星に向かってまっすぐに飛ぶんだ。
Peter Pan's Flight, how does that ever get an hour and a half wait in Magic Kingdom? It is so short.
I don't think that was any different really. I don't know if the boat scene was slightly different.
Maybe, yeah, but I think Tokyo Disney needs to sort those ride vehicles out and get the ones that have got 2 rows, increase the capacity by 100% straight away, and go from there. We were going to do Pinocchio's Daring Journey, but it doubled in time. So we now need to make our way back to...
Still not very long, huh?
No, it's still not very long. It's 15-20 minutes. But we've got the Electrical Parade, the Main Street Electrical Parade, happening in like 35 minutes.
Yeah.
So we...
And we've got Premier Access, so we'd be really bummed if we missed that.
Hello there. Have you been good little boy?
Incredible night! Yes, very romantic.
Look, Jasmine, you got you.
Hi, how are you? Nice
come into the big pop here in Tomorrowland to see what options we've got. Got a few popcorn buckets in here, so I'm probably going to get one or two. And then maybe some strawberry Napoleon. That's what it says on there. There, I think they mean strawberry Neapolitan, maybe? I don't know. You got salted caramel and cheddar cheese as well. So you've got all different popcorn buckets here. They look absolutely fantastic. So I've gone for this amazing Tokyo Disney Resort popcorn bucket. It's got loads of the icons on there. It's only for the 40th anniversary, and I've not filled it. They were going to fill it, but I didn't want it filled with strawberry. And this was 2,800 Japanese yen, which worked out to be £15, which is insane for a popcorn bucket. Right, guys, we are in the hub with our strawberry popcorn. I swear, Becky and I were just saying, like, it tastes like it's been mixed. The strawberry one and the salted caramel one. I don't know, it's got, like, and some of them are pink and some of them are yellow.
There's definitely a mixture, but whether that's supposed to be the mixture equals the strawberry one, or if they put them together.
Either that, or they got really annoyed with me because, like, they started filling my popcorn bucket and I was like, can you not fill the popcorn bucket? And so they went and got a fresh popcorn bucket. Maybe they're just really annoyed and were like, we're going to screw him over now and give him, like, mixed popcorn even though he's just after strawberry.
Sometimes a leap of faith is all it takes. So bring out and take flight. Reach for the stars. You'll find much further than you know. Reach for the stars. Reach for the stars. The power's inside of you to soar. Reach for the stars. 夢に見るその場所はみんなが僕をくじけずに強くなれば行けるだろういつの日か場所
ヘラクレスこの地上で本当のヒーローとなれそうすれば神の仲間入りだ
何も知らず過ごしてきた決まりに従って生きてきただけど私たちは自由蓋をしてた心解き放つの And proud as an eagle queen I will ride, I will hide Chase the wind and touch the sky I will hide, chase the wind and touch the sky Chase the wind, chase the wind, the sky 僕が来ると
その通り。
僕が来ると
有利評価いよいよです。私がアイアンマンだ。アベンジャーズアッセンブル。
僕が来ると
バララララララ。こんにちは。私はベイマックス。あなたの健康を守ります。ベイマックスウィングだ。ロケットエンジンパワー全開。
俺たちの伝説が今まさに始まろうとしてるんだ。スーパーヒーローにしないと。
上上げてパワー上げて。
Reach for the stars and tra la la la.
La 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 la. And Merida flowing hair, Merida with ginger hair.
So, Reach for the Stars, I mean, I kind of put that, I was saying to Becky just before we started recording, I kind of put that on par with the ones from Shanghai. Okay, not great.
I don't know if because they said that they were going to be suspended.
Yeah,
so
they-
we thought that the show was like completely off.
Yeah, they literally said it's cancelled, and somebody said it was because of wind. So
But then everyone was still stood there, so we thought,
we'll just hang around for it.
And then it was just the projections and no fire. Well, they said just the projections and no fireworks, but there were fireworks.
Yeah,
So I don't know if they were less than they should have been, like fewer,
yeah,
or if they were.
or if that's normal.
If that was normal,
because
but if it is normal, there wasn't many.
no, and like, so we get there not being many fireworks because there wasn't many fireworks in Shanghai.
And there are 2 performances a night. Let's not forget.
There are 2 performances a night. There's one at like 5 something, which is pretty crazy. Like, I guess that's like a winter thing. If it's so dark early, like, let's do 2 performances, which is great of them because it means like families can get home early.
Yeah.
I love that idea. I feel like these people have just been abandoned here. Like, no disrespect, like they're in wheelchairs and stuff, but
Free wheelchair.
they're just kind of sat there.
No, we're facing the wrong way.
Facing- Oh, no, I feel so bad for laughing at it, but you know, like it feels like they've just been abandoned. But anyway, there was supposed to be a Halloween show as well tonight, and we did just get an announcement saying that has been suspended. That's been cancelled. Well, not suspended. It's been cancelled tonight. So we've got like 20 minutes until park closes. Becky just checked the app. Haunted Mansion was a 13-minute wait, which is a walk-on.
And all day it's been like 80 minutes.
It's been 80 minutes all day. So we're gonna like go and get on Haunted Mansion now and just see like, because we might not get the opportunity to do it
We will,
on our second day.
We've got a second fast pass that we can use for anything, but we also still haven't done Big Thunder. What are the other big ones we haven't done?
There's a few. There's a
Buzz.
few.
That's
Buzz
really
we haven't
long
done.
wait.
Yeah, Buzz Lightyear's Astro Blasters is closing in like 3 weeks' time. Dating this video, sorry guys, but it's closing in like 3 weeks' time. So we're probably going to have to use it for that. Otherwise, that's going to be an 80-minute wait the whole time. We got choices.
I mean, there are other big ones that we haven't done, but we don't want to use the fast pass for, like Mark Twain.
Yeah. The
Canoes.
canoes. I want to do the canoes.
Yeah.
We had a lot of fun doing the canoes in Shanghai. That was fun. But yeah, so now we're going to go and do Haunted Mansion. It's Haunted Mansion Holiday as well. Jack Skellington has taken over the mansion. So looking forward to that. I love Haunted Mansion. I love Haunted Mansion Holiday in California. It's a tricky one because you want to see the Haunted Mansion Holiday because it's limited, but also you want to see everything like it should be. So that's the problem when you come somewhere for Halloween, apart from Magic Kingdom. Magic Kingdom doesn't change anything because it's a vacation destination. Oh, look at this pumpkin tree.
ハロウィンタウンには何かが足りないと。そんな時ジャックが目にしたのはクリスマスタウンの温かい明かり。すっかりクリスマスに心を奪われたジャック・スケリントンはクリスマスの前の晩、家は悪夢に包まれてネズミさえも震え出す。なぜなら今宵はお待ちかねサンディ・クローズがやってくる。ランドの前の靴下には不気味なプレゼントが詰め込まれ、すやすや眠る子供たちもやがて悪夢。よさに古くて真っ暗で不気味な屋敷をまるで僕の家のようないいところに来たねみんな。ではありませんか。呪われた書斎の本たちを飾ってくれているようですよ。
Zodiac that rule the future and transcend. 11 candles floating, the scent of mystery in the air.
Oh, we're filing out of Tokyo Disneyland. crikey. Busy, busy, busy. All right, so that is the end of day 1 at Tokyo Disney Resort, Tokyo Disneyland.
It was exhausting.
It was a very exhausting day, wasn't it? Yes.
What time is it now? Nearly 10 o'clock. What time did we leave the hotel?
We left our first hotel at 6 this morning, just a bit after. So we've been on our feet for 16 hours. Now granted, we watched parades today. We sat down and we had a meal.
That was really helpful to break up actually.
Yeah.
The parades.
The parades were good and everybody sits down, so that's really useful. But what a first day!
Yeah.
What a first day! Sometimes it doesn't feel like you've done a lot, but I think adding those parades in, we've really done.
I think the parades took up a lot of our time, didn't they? Because like, it feels like we haven't done that many rides.
Yeah.
But as a whole, we've done a lot of things.
Yeah, and we can do a whole bunch of rides like when we're back here in a few days as well. I'm happy that we managed to get on Haunted Mansion just before leaving as well.
Yeah, that was a big plus because that was a bit of a worry about doing that the next time we come.
Yeah, 80-minute wait it's been all day, 13 minutes walking on today. So very, very happy with that. Really good, really awesome day and some really unique rides as well. I've thoroughly enjoyed it.
It does feel like California, but bigger and better.
Yeah, it does. It's got a very strange mix to it, this
But
park.
it has definitely got the quaint feeling of California in a lot of places.
It does, yeah. It's really good. It's a really nice park, actually. The monorail came, so we had to dart. Yeah, it is really weird. It's California on steroids, basically. Bigger, better, everything that you would expect about California mixed with.
But you still can tell that it's an older park, like older than Shanghai, older than Hong Kong, because they've still got a lot of things that have changed in Shanghai and Hong Kong.
Yes.
Because they know that it doesn't work.
It doesn't work in certain places, yeah. It was good, it was really good. Obviously they've got Cinderella Castle rather than Sleeping Beauty Castle like they've got in California, so it's like a weird mixture of California and Magic Kingdom and then made bigger, basically, and built from the ground up. It's very good, very good. We've really enjoyed the day and hopefully you guys enjoyed following along with us as we fall on the monorail here. But yeah, no, it's been really good. We've enjoyed taking you guys along. We've enjoyed experiencing the park. We're very excited to get back for another day. Maybe our feet aren't, but we are.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you guys
Disney Sea tomorrow.
we're going to Disney Sea, that's next. Yeah.
Final park.
Our final Disney park. Wow, that's cool. So if you guys have enjoyed the video throughout, give us a thumbs up. Do appreciate it. It really does help us out a lot. It'd be great if you could hit the subscribe button and bell icon to be notified when we post all new videos. We'll see you on the other side.
Thanks.
Thanks.